Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray. This prevents shorting and keeps the connector safe. Once done, place the phone on an ESD mat and remove the 2 bottom tri-point screws under the lightning port. Use a suction cup and spudger to lift the display carefully. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid cracking. Make sure to stop when the display is slightly open so you can detach display cables safely in the next step. With the display open, disconnect the battery and then the display cables so you don't short the board. Remove metal shields and identify the audio IC area. Note nearby components and grounding points. To replace the IC, preheat the board or use controlled hot air to lift the chip. This avoids thermal shock. Clean pads with flux and solder wick, position the new IC precisely, and reflow with correct temperature profile. Once cooled, inspect joints and reassemble the phone carefully, step by step. Reattach the display cables and reconnect the battery, making sure each connector snaps in fully. Then close the screen and reinstall the 2 tri-point screws. Power on and test microphone, earpiece, speaker, and headphone jack using voice memos and a test call. If audio is poor or absent, power down and reopen. Often a cold joint, solder bridge, or misground pad is the culprit. Reflow the suspect joints, clean flux, and retest. If problems persist, consider component-level diagnosis or professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.